This conference will now be recorded.
So very good afternoon to one and all present here. We are going to discuss a topic on operators in C programming. Okay. So what are all the things we are going to see in operators? So first of all, before seeing operators, we need to see two things. First one is which one is an operand and which one is an operator. Okay. When you go for operand, okay, consider an expression. I'm just opening the notepad. Consider an expression c equal to a plus b. Okay, you take the expression c equal to a plus b. This is an expression. In this expression, operators. What are operators? Operators are nothing but symbols. So which is equal to and plus or operators. Operands. Operands. When you go for operands, what are the operands? C, comma a, B are operands. So before studying operators, you should know this thing. Okay. So we'll quickly move to the PPT. So you know operator and operand. Okay. So these are the various types of operators. You have arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, unary operator, conditional operator, comma operator, size of, address of, and bitwise operator. This conditional operator, comma operator, size of, address of operators are called as special operators. These operators are called as special operators. First of all, we will see the summary of all the operators. When you see arithmetic operators, it performs mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. When you take relational operator compares two expressions. Okay, relational operator compares two expressions. Bitwise operators operates on bits containing zeros and ones. Okay, then increment and decrement operator, it is a unary operator. Okay, which take only one operator and only one operator. Then assignment operator is just equal to assignment operator. There's a simple assignment operator. Logical operators means you have and or not. Then conditional operator, which is represented as question mark, colon, and special operators are ampersand, that is address operator, star pointer operator, size of operator, ternary operator. Okay, we'll discuss about arithmetic operator. As I told already, arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can be performed, whereas modulus is nothing but remainder of the division operation, which is represented using percentage. Modulo operator is a percentage operator, so it's just represented using percentage, that is modulo. This is a simple C program to execute to perform arithmetic operations. Okay, so here we are getting the first number from the user and storing it in a variable called a. You are getting second number from the user and storing it in a variable called b. And then for performing addition, you are doing a plus b. For subtraction, you are giving a minus b. For multiplication, you are giving a into b, that is a star b. For division, you are giving a divided by b. Here, I have declared the variables in terms of integer, but I need output in terms of floating point. For that, I'm including the data type in pair parenthesis here. Okay, I'm just including the data type in pair parenthesis. And what is the dot to f? Dot to f means you need to display only 2 digits after the decimal point. If you want to display 3 digits after the decimal point, you have to give dot 3f. Okay, then modulo, as I told already, it is a remainder operator which gives the remainder of two operations. Okay. Then coming to relational operator compares the two expressions. If the comparison is true, it will return the value 1. If the comparison is false, it returns the value 0. Okay, 0 for false condition, as I mentioned here. Okay, see the example, 54 greater than 18. This comparison is true, so it is returning the result true. 54 less than 18. This comparison is false, it is returning the result false. This is about relational operator. Then this is an example for relational operator. I am comparing the two values 10 and 20. 10 less than 20, it is giving 1. 10 equal to 20, it is false, so it is giving 0. So it gives result only in form of 2 digits. One is 0 and then another one is 1. 0 is for false condition and 1 is for true condition. Okay. Then we'll discuss about logical operator. There are 3 types of logical operator: AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. You know the truth table for AND. AND operator will give the result if both the both the values, if both the values are true, then output is true. If either one of the values is false, output is false. But when coming to OR operator, if both the values are true, output is true. If either one of the values is true, the output is also true. Okay, not operator, which is that is the different operator. What it gives is, if it is true, you will get the output as false. If it is false, you will get the output as true. Okay, that is not operator. These are the logical operators, that is AND or not, or the logical operators supported in C language. Okay, we'll see an example for this logical operator. See here, 5 greater than 3. 5 greater than 3 is 5 greater than 3. 5 greater than 3 is true. 5 less than 10. 5 greater than 3 is true. 5 less than 10 is also true. Both are true. The output is true. Okay, 5 greater than 3. 5 greater than 3 is true. 5 less than 10. 5 less than 10 is true. Both are true. The output is true. 8 greater than 5. 8 less than 2. 8 greater than 5 is true. 8 less than 2 is false. So output is true. Because either any one of the any one of the expression should be true in OR operator. Here, this is the symbol for OR, that is double line. Double line represents the OR operator. Then 8 equal to 8 is true, but we are applying this not. Not is represented using exclamation. You are applying not. Okay. Here you are applying not. Here you are applying not. So it is false. Okay. So it is false. Then we'll move to the next one. Then increment and unary operator. So minus is an unary operator. Okay, when you go for increment and decrement operator, it performs it takes only one operand. Okay, it takes only one operand and one operator. X plus 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 x, x minus minus x minus minus, post increment, pre decrement, post decrement. So this is about unary operator. So as you know that post increment means you have an operand and then symbol. Pre-increment means symbol then operand. Okay. So this is post increment and pre-increment. Here is an example for post increment. So first post increment means it just assign the value. In second step it performs incrementation. Apo the value 5 is assigned. In second step 5 is becoming 6. Here first increment the value and then assign. First 6 is becoming 7 and then value 7 is assigned to A. Okay. So then conditional operator, as I told already, conditional operators represented using question mark colon. Okay, if this condition is true, the expression 1 will be evaluated. If this condition is false, expression 2 will be evaluated. So this is about conditional operator. We'll see an example. So see here they have given, if the condition is true, the first statement is executed. If the condition is false, second statement is executed. We'll see an example. Okay, take this example, A equal to 20, B equal to 10. These are three variables are there. So 20 greater than 10. The condition is true. Upon the result will be 20. If 20 less than 10, if the condition is false, means result will be 10. If the condition is true, the value will be A. If the condition is false, the value will be B. Okay. Then comma operator is also a special operator which mainly separates two expressions. Okay, but it is having very low priority among all the operators. Comma operator separates two expressions and having very low priority among all the operators. Okay, so here is the example for comma operator. Two expressions written in a single printf statement, that is A plus B or A minus B, and separated using comma operator. Here see the expression A into B or A divided by B, A divided by B, or two expressions represented using comma. Okay, then size of operator. Size of operator represents the how much amount of bytes occupied by the particular variable. Okay, how much amount of bytes occupies how much amount of bytes occupied by a particular variable. Then ampersand is you know ampersand. What is ampersand? Ampersand is an address operator which prints the address of the particular variable in the memory. Let me see an example. To see here, size of x. Size of x. What is the size of x? The size of x is 4 bytes. Size of y is float. It is also 4 bytes. then address of X is displayed and address of Y is displayed. For printing the address, you have to give percentage of U followed by ampersand X, ampersand Y, because ampersand is an address operator. Okay. So thank you for listening. Thanks a lot. Okay. Please contact me in the given mail ID if you have any queries. Okay. Thank you.